Hi everyone, I am Dr. Arif Sheikh, consultant audiologist at Waves Hearing Care. Today we are playing a quick guess the sound challenge. Let's see how sharp your ears are. Here is the sound number 1. What sound is this? The answer is boiling kettle. Did you get it correct? Let's try the next one. Here is the sound number 2. Guess it properly. What sound is this? The answer is keys. Good job. One last sound. Sound number 3. The final round. What sound is this? That you need to find out and write down in the comment section. I'll tell you the correct answer. Whoever correctly writes in the comment section, so I will be giving them a free hearing test evaluation at our hearing clinic. If you are finding any difficulty in hearing any of the sounds, any of the environmental sounds, any of the speech sounds, please visit Waves Hearing Care for better hearing and better life. Our contact number is 9966296799 and write to us on waveshearing@gmail.com. Thanks for playing along with Waves Hearing Care. Stay tuned for more challenges.